You must install the Horizon agent on your physical machines to register them with the connection servers, so that you can add them to a manual desktop pool. To install the Horizon agent on multiple machines without having to respond to wizard prompts, you can install the agent silently from the command line. You can install the agent with default options or customize which options you want to enable. In this video, I am installing the agent from the command line with default options. You will find a link below this video on where to go to find what options are available during installation. The process will take a few minutes. You should restart the PC when installation is complete. After restarting, check installed programs to ensure that installation was successful. If we look back into the Horizon console, and we browse to registered machines under settings, we can click on the other tab to ensure that the physical machine was registered correctly and is showing as available. If you did not restart your physical machine, you may see the agent needs reboot message shown here. You can see that I have installed the agent on 3 more PCs that are now showing as registered with the connection server. At this point you should ensure that the physical PC power policies are set to ultimate performance. We now need to create a manual desktop pool that will contain the registered physical machines with the Horizon agent installed. When granting access through entitlements, we have a choice of creating a dedicated or floating user assignment. We will look at each option. Let's first create a floating manual pool. Click on Desktops in the Inventory section. Click on the Add button and choose Manual Desktop Pool. Click Next. Choose Other Sources and click Next. Choose a floating assignment and click Next. Give the pool a name and fill in the display name field. Click Next. Review the available pool options presented and click Next. Ensure you are using VMware Blast where possible and choose to enable HTML access and session collaboration if required. Select the registered physical machines you wish to add to this pool and click Next. Review your chosen settings and click Submit. Now we need to entitle our users to use the desktop pool we have just created. Select the desktop pool, click on the Entitlements button and select Add Entitlement. Click Add, then browse to the Active Directory users or groups you wish to add. Click OK. Click OK again. Outstanding. Now that we have a pool configured, let's try logging in from a client machine and launch one of the desktops. To test access to our desktop pool, we will install the Horizon client on a Windows 10 PC. As we enabled HTML access for our desktop pool, we could use a web browser to access our desktops, and this may be a valid use case. In our case, we will download and install the Horizon client to our desktop. We will download the software from the HTML access page. Go to the web page for your connection server. Click on the link to install the VMware Horizon client. Click the Go to Downloads link for the VMware client for Windows. Click to Downloads the VMware client for Windows. You should note that there are clients available for other platforms such as Mac, Linux, iOS, Android and Chrome. Click the downloaded file to start the installation. Click Finish and restart now. Once the PC has restarted, launch the Horizon client. Click the new server link and enter the DNS name of your connection server. Click Connect. Click Continue. Enter your Active Directory username and password. Click Login. Double-click the pool name to launch a desktop. At this point, we have proven that we can access a physical PC from a floating assignment pool. We could have been assigned either of the two desktops available in this pool depending on availability. Let's look at creating a second pool with a dedicated automatic assignment. Under Inventory, click on the Desktops link. Click the Add button to add a desktop pool. Choose a manual desktop pool and click Next. Choose Other Sources and click Next. Choose Dedicated and Automatic Assignment and click Next. Give the pool an ID and display name and click Next. Review the pool settings and click Next. Ensure you are using VMware Blast where possible and choose to enable HTML access and session collaboration if required. Click Next. Select the machines you want to add to this pool and click Next. Review your chosen settings and click Submit. Select the desktop pool, click on the Entitlements button and select Add Entitlement. Click Add, then browse to the Active Directory users or groups you wish to add. Click OK. Click OK again. Let's log in with the client as user 1 to see the result. Double-click on the connection server icon. Click Continue. Enter your Active Directory username and password. Click Login. Double-click the icon for the dedicated pool. This will automatically launch a desktop session. We will check the machine name of the desktop we are now accessing. As you can see, it is Win10-3. As this is a dedicated automatically assigned pool of desktops, this means that the machine I am now accessing will be the machine that I am assigned on every login. Let's log into the pool once again to demonstrate this. As you can see, I have been assigned the same desktop. Now that we have demonstrated that we can access desktops in the LAN, let's move on to deploying the Unified Access Gateway to facilitate external access.